It seems incredible, but autumn is here. And of course, we are almost celebrating Halloween. That's why I want to do something different inside my journal dedicated to that spooky night. And I wanted to make something related with the flavors, the colors, and the smell of this amazing season of the year. So welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how I obtain this amazing page that I'm going to glue right here in my journal. I found this amazing picture from a magazine. I really like it, and I think it has the mood of the Halloween and a mysterious figure, right? So additionally, I have these stamps, and this looks to me like a little cauldron, and I have some plant branches, and also I have what can be a crow, and the colors and the spice and the flavors and the smell of these amazing beverages that we usually get during this time of the year. So let's start. I'm going to use my technique with a nail file. This is a way you can use the images from your magazine pages, especially the dark pages, the dark images. So what I have here is a little plate. I'm gonna glue my stamp there, and I want the crow to be standing on her hand. So I'm gonna try to go in here, and I hope I can have enough space. And then with my file, I'm choosing a soft file. I'm gonna go in here to have the bird on her hand. And as you may know, here in my channel you have another videos related with this technique, in which you can learn all the details, how to do it, how to obtain a better image just using a nail file, and of course a clear stamp. You can also use stencils. That's a different video. I'm gonna link them down below and also here in this episode. So this is what we have, and she is already holding a crow. Now I'm going to see where the cauldron can go in the figure. So supposedly she is somebody that make me think about Halloween. So I need to have some magical things, and that's why I start with the crow, that we always see it around during this time of the year. And also let's go with the cauldron. In this opportunity, I'm not gonna detach it from the pages. I'm not using the block, but I'm just gonna go in here. I'm gonna only have half of it. That'll be looking really nice, and I can just go ahead and have it right there as part of the witchy mood of this amazing work. And that's going to be one page for my junk journal. So we have the cauldron and we have the crow over there. What are we going to do with her dress? I was thinking to have some magical branches on her, so that's why I have these leaves. I'll go with probably these ones, or probably this long one. And I don't think she's gonna have a flower, or we can probably go with some of these spices and pumpkins here. So the pumpkin is going to be the attractive point, like the colorful point of the image. And yes, we are already celebrating October. The end of the year is coming really, really fast. And in a blink of an eye, we're gonna be celebrating Christmas, and of course Thanksgiving. A lot of celebrations are coming, so I hope we can all join our families, be together, in peace and with a lot of creativity, of course. Alright, so I need a focal point besides the crow and the cauldron. So I'm gonna have that pumpkin here, and I'm already in love with the image. Now I have this little shell over here. I think I can use them under her shoulders like little part of the dress. Here. Yeah, that's awesome. So this is one, and I'm gonna have the same one on the other side. Let me just have the same inclination I'll need, and I go with my 5. Okay, so we have the 2 first parts of the dress. I'm going to look for dream catcher. I have a small one, so I can probably go with this one. As you can see, today I'm working in a different way with my clear stamps. I'm using the blocks because if the dust from the nail files goes into the back of the stamp, this is not going to glue anymore on the original paper that they come in the plastic thing. So let's do the dream catcher. We're going to have it here. It's exactly the size. By the way, I got all these things from the Dollar Tree. And let's go over here. So this is kind of a witchy thing. I love it. And let's do it. I'm gonna use this file to see what happens. This is actually very magical. Really appropriate for Halloween, right? Alright, that's what I have. Look at that! I am in love with this technique and with this image too. Now it's time to go on her dress, and I would love to have, let me see what are the most spooky branches I have here. Probably these fern can be one of them. I'm gonna have the fern. Actually, this is pretty new. I'm gonna use it for the first time. And I want the branches to come down from her skirt like so. So the best thing and the appropriate thing is that you have everything in a good position, so you're not gonna have any problems after you file your stamp. Okay, this is exactly in the border of the dress, probably a little bit more inside, and here we go. Alright, so we have one branch, and I want to do second branch coming in from the dress. That's the second branch, and so on. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go on the other side to see what are we doing and where are we going with our image. Right, then the one on the bottom part. And if you're doing this, don't go over the whole stamp. You just follow the part that is like coming out from the back of the leaf, you see? So that is going to be more than perfect. So we need to do the center So I'm gonna go here, and as you can see, this is a dark page of a magazine. Actually, her dress is black, so if I press, it gives me an effect. It looks like snow coming from the tip of the leaves. All right, there it is. Now I'm gonna go and do only the final part. I want them to hang from the dress down. From the dress down. From the dress down. From the dress down. In here we have a little bit more to go. And this is what we're having regarding her dress. Of course, I can still go over here. There. And I want to do probably here, this corner, coming out. And a tiny more here. There it is. Now we have the dress, and I need something for this part. Let me see, what do I have to make her like a belt? What can that be? Probably this flower. Pumpkin flowers are really big, but they have the petals are joined together. This can probably be the tip of the corolla, so I'm going to use this flower. Let's think that this is a pumpkin flower, and I'm going to have it right in the center of her dress. Probably it's not complete because I have the leaves on top of that. All right. I think it's really cute. Really cute. And I can probably have a little bit more of the branch there. I have an empty space. Where was the branch? Was this one? So I can probably have a little piece of the branch in this space here. Probably that. It's just not to leave it empty. It looks like an embroidery something, you know. It has a beautiful effect. I have the effect I wanted. I'm gonna have two flowers. So this is kind of a campanula. Let me just do the flower coming out from the shell here. All right. Yes. Wow. I love it. I'm gonna glue the cinnamon sticks coming out from the cauldron. And so this is what I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna have this here just for color, and here let's do the shade of the pumpkin so it gives the effect that is on the floor. And I know you know what, I wish I have a candle so I can put it somewhere there, but I don't have any candle. So now these are the cinnamon sticks. Let me just cut them, fussy cut them, and they're gonna come out from the cauldron this way. All right. And what about I can do a little nail here on the wall where the dream catcher is hanging from, and I'll do the eye of the bird and probably a little bit of the shadow on their little This is so amazing. I really like it. I am in love with the result. I have a couple of more of cinnamon sticks. I can probably have them there. Probably these are too thick, but I can always try and see what happens. So I need to chop this here. Yeah, just like that. I always, you know that I always like some cuttings to come out from the page. So this is the final result, and I need you to leave me in a comment down below. How do you celebrate Halloween? Probably you don't celebrate it, and that is not a problem at all, but I really wanted to do something fun, something really orange, something really spicy with the smell and the colors of autumn. So I hope you enjoyed this episode, and please leave me a comment. Are you gonna try with your stamps and your nail files? I have a bunch of videos here in my channel explaining how to do it and how to be successful when using this technique. So if you haven't subscribed, just hit the button here, just give it a click here, or just hit here my picture in the end of the video, and here I'm gonna leave you another episode related with the filing of images, especially dark magazine images. This is the way the page looks inside my journal. I am very happy with the result, so I see you soon. Thanks for watching, and remember, leave me a thumbs up. Never stop creating and being amazing with your art, with whatever you do. And of course, if you like this video, recommend it to other people. Share it, mention me in your videos. It will be super nice to hear from you. So thank you so much, and have a great day. See you soon. Bye. Bye, friends.